If your iPhone screen dims automatically in sunlight and becomes difficult for you to look at the screen, then this is what you should do. Go to settings, go to display and brightness, disable this option true tone. The next thing is, again go to settings here, go to accessibility, go to display and text size, and here there is an option reduce white point. Suppose if this is enabled like this one, you can see the brightness of the screen dims, and if this slider is increased further, the screen will become more dim. So make sure to disable this option reduce white point. The next thing is, you have to disable this auto brightness also. Once you disable auto brightness, the brightness of the iPhone screen will remain same inside the room as well as in the sunlight. The last thing that you have to do is, if your iPhone is too hot, then in that case also the iPhone will lower down the brightness of the screen. So make sure that your iPhone is not too hot. If you are using a case, remove the case and let the iPhone cool. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks.